Glass frogs are native to Central and South America, with many species found in countries such as Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. They belong to the frog family Centrolenidae, which contains more than 150 known species. They mainly live in humid tropical rainforests, especially close to fast-flowing streams and rivers. The vegetation around these waterways provides the perfect environment for them to hide, hunt, and reproduce. Glass frogs are usually found high in vegetation above streams, often resting on leaves. Their eggs are commonly laid on leaves hanging over water, and after hatching, the tadpoles fall into the stream below. Glass frogs are not all equally rare. There are many different species, and some are relatively common in suitable rainforest habitats, while others have very small populations and are extremely difficult to find. Their small size, excellent camouflage, and nocturnal lifestyle make them particularly difficult for people to spot. Some species have been discovered only in very limited areas, sometimes on a single mountain or within a small forest region. Habitat destruction is one of the biggest threats to glass frogs. Deforestation, pollution, mining, climate change, and changes to streams can all affect their survival. Some glass frog species are therefore considered threatened or vulnerable. The most remarkable feature of glass frogs is their partly transparent body. When viewed from underneath, you can sometimes see their internal organs through their skin. Their transparent underside makes them look almost as if they are made of glass. Their appearance is also unusual because many species have bright green bodies with tiny spots and translucent legs. Their large eyes are positioned on top of their heads, giving them an adorable but unusual appearance. Another special feature is their behavior as parents. In several glass frog species, the male may guard the eggs after they are laid. He can protect them from predators and help keep the eggs moist until they hatch. Strictly speaking, the glass frog does not see through its own body. Its eyes work like those of other frogs, allowing it to see its surroundings normally. The word glass refers to its unusually transparent skin and tissues. The transparency is particularly noticeable on the frog's underside. Some of the skin and tissues allow light to pass through, making parts of the organs beneath visible. Scientists believe this transparency helps with camouflage. When the frog sits on a leaf, its partly transparent body creates less of a strong outline. This can make it harder for predators to notice the frog against the background. Glass frogs are small animals and therefore have several natural predators. Birds, snakes, spiders, lizards, and other rainforest animals may prey on them. Their eggs and tadpoles are also vulnerable to predators living in or around streams. Because many glass frogs are active at night, they rely heavily on camouflage and remaining motionless. Their transparent bodies and green coloring can make them surprisingly difficult to detect. The eggs can be particularly vulnerable because they are often attached to leaves above streams. Predators may eat the eggs before they hatch, which is one reason why some adult glass frogs guard their eggs. Glass frogs are completely real. They may look like something created using special effects or computer animation because of their transparent bodies, but they are genuine rainforest amphibians. Photographs of glass frogs can sometimes look unbelievable, especially when the frog is photographed from underneath. In some pictures, the heart, liver, intestines, and other organs can actually be seen through the translucent skin. Their strange appearance has made glass frogs extremely popular online. However, The transparency varies between species, and photographs can sometimes make the effect look even more dramatic than it appears in nature. Glass frogs are generally very small frogs. Depending on the species, adults can measure roughly 2 to 8 centimeters in body length. Some species are only a little larger than a person's thumbnail. Their weight is also very low because of their tiny bodies. Exact weights vary between species and individuals, but many weigh only a few grams. Their small size is useful in a rainforest environment. They can sit on delicate leaves and move through vegetation easily. Their tiny bodies also help them remain hidden from larger predators. Glass frogs are mainly insect eaters. Their diet can include small insects such as flies, mosquitoes, moths, beetles, ants, and other tiny invertebrates. They usually hunt at night when many of their prey animals are active. A glass frog may sit quietly on a leaf and wait for a suitable insect to come close before quickly catching it with its sticky tongue. Their diet helps control populations of small insects in the rainforest. Although they are tiny animals, they form an important part of the food web because they are both predators of insects and prey for larger animals. Glass frogs can make calls, particularly during the breeding season. Their calls are often surprisingly loud for such tiny animals and can sound like small clicks, chirps, whistles, or metallic tick sounds, depending on the species. Males generally call to attract females and to establish or defend suitable breeding areas. Their calls can also help frogs recognize members of their own species. Because many glass frogs live near noisy streams, their calls need to be effective in an environment filled with the sound of rushing water. Some species have calls that are especially suited to communicating near fast-flowing streams. There are many fascinating things about glass frogs. In some species, the bones can have a greenish appearance, which contributes to their unusual look. Their transparent skin can also reveal surprisingly detailed structures underneath the body. Glass frog tadpoles have an unusual life cycle. After hatching, they often drop from the leaves into the stream below, where they spend their early development. This connects the frogs closely to clean, flowing rainforest streams. Perhaps one of the most amazing facts is that scientists are still discovering new glass frog species. New species have been described in recent decades, showing that tropical rainforests still contain many secrets. The glass frog is a wonderful example of how strange and beautiful the natural world can be. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.